Welcome back to the next Total Student tutorial video. In this video, we will go over the Membership tab. Let's get started by going to Membership, then All Memberships. This page shows you all of the memberships students and faculty members have for all organizations within your school. You can manually add someone as a member to an organization by clicking Create New School Organization Membership. Search for the user, select the organization, and then assign a permission level alias. You can edit any existing memberships by clicking the Actions button and then Edit. Next, let's take a look at the All Membership Request menu. This page shows you all the requests made by users to join an organization. To accept a request, click on Actions and then View. You can then select what permission level to accept the user as, then click Accept. You can also deny request on this page if needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. Please watch our next video on rewards.